Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, now we have entered into the year 2025 and this is the month of January. Today it is time to visit our urban net house and see what all activities are going on. So let us get in and watch. So now let us get in and we'll start from the left corner. So in the left this line we have all the apple trees. So out of this all apple tree, you can see that we have withheld the water since last 15 days and most of the leaves are getting drying up. So after this, after 15th of January, we'll start light watering to initiate the new flowering into this plant. And we are hopeful that we get some apple this year into these plants. So right now we have stopped the water into this plant. Now coming to the right side, here is our turmeric beds. And you can see that this bed as well as the next bed, all the plants are dried. So it is time to harvest. So the turmeric are now ready. You can see this. This turmeric are ready and I can see that it is good in size. So we will harvest this. I'll put the video on harvest soon. So this too is dried, but the third one is still green. But we are going to harvest everything and replace this all the bed with some of the cabbage, cauliflower or the root crops. On this left, we have two line of the strawberry and you can see that strawberry plant is now set well. Here are some plants with the new growth and the flowering also. So we are soon hoping to get the strawberry, but right now we are not going to take any flower until the little worm is coming up. So we are going to keep the flowers after 15th January. Till time, we'll let the plant grow and rest. Next to this, we have this taro. This taro were drying up, but now it has put some of the leaf, which is still going on. Although the leaves are very small, but we need to harvest this taro now. If we harvest now and we'll use it for the seed, we need to give the rest. So we are going to harvest this taro carefully from these bags. Meanwhile, we have stopped the water all over. So moving further to this next line. On this last line, again we have some of the fruit trees. Like the mango is there, some different variety of apricot, apple and the almond is there. So few plants survive, few died off. But we are going to replace them. But you can see that very healthy growth of the plant over here with some flowering plants also. Now moving to the next line. Here you can see our pigeon pea plant. Now they have grown to the 7 to 8 feet high and they have started setting up the fruiting pods. You can see these pods are now set, but the seeds are not ready yet. So we need to wait until this pod are filled with the seed totally, and then we can start harvesting for the grain consumption. We don't have any idea for getting it dry, so we are going to harvest it fresh and consume it. Moving further, here are these bags where we have planted the potato. I have put the video on this potato planting. Now you can see that the sprouting has started and it is sprouting well. Wherever it sprout with many of the shoots. So that's a good sign. Here you can see most of the bags are sprouting. Couple of plants yet to sprout. It will sprout soon. But I want to show you that wherever the sprout is there, these are the purple potato. And you can see the amount of the sprouting there. It is like 8 to 10 sprout into the red and yellow or red and purple. In white it is 4 to 5. So you can see the very healthy sprouting of the potato all over these bags. So this indicate that our potato setting will be good and we will get the good harvest from these potato lines. Now here all the grafted vegetables, and first is the chili. Here also you can see we have stopped the watering. So all the soil is almost dry. It is not fully dry. The light moisture is there. So the plant is little shedding of its leaves. What we'll do after this, we'll trim down or prune the plant and again we'll start the new fresh growth and get the new fruits. So right now the plant are under rest. Similar way you can see this purple yam vines. There also the leaves are getting yellowing. So it is a sign that yam is ready and we need to harvest it soon. These are the purple yam which are left over from the last season. So soon we need to harvest them. Same way, these are the grafted brinjal. They are putting the flowers but not setting the fruit well. But we are going to regenerate this plant again for the next season. Same way, the tomatoes are there. It is putting the new sprouts, but sprouts are not so healthy. So we are keeping 1 or 2 for the trial and remove rest of them. Here you can see the capsicum plant also dying back. So this is the condition of our grafted plant. Moving to the last line, here are the some beans. The pods are ready. We need to harvest them. And here is the ginger. Now same story in the ginger. This bed is yet green and next 2 beds are dried up. Now here we are not going to harvest. We are going to do mulching and put some planting over here. But this bed, initially it was slow in moving, but now it has developed many shoots and many sprouts. So we are hoping the good harvest of the ginger from this area. So friends, this is all about our small urban garden where we are growing many vegetables into the grow bags. So friends, how do you like my garden or the urban garden for the vegetable growing? Please write me back into the comment. And if you like the way I am growing, give me the thumb and share my video to the urban garden lover, so they can also start growing their own vegetables with a grow bag and harvest fresh vegetable for the consumption. Happy growing!